In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Fusion markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, after you sign into your account, you have to create a trading account, either a live or a demo one. So for me, as you can see here, I have two different demo accounts here. And what you have to do to actually go ahead and start trading, there's a lot of different options you have. But the easiest one is to just go to downloads here on the left. And then over here, you can select where you actually want to trade. Okay. So as you can see, you can download using MetaTrader 4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, or of course, any of these on the web. Okay. So here you can just click on the web over here. So we can do this anywhere pretty much here. And you can just connect your Fusion Markets account to their web basically platform. So if I go to TradingView, click on web over here, I can just connect it. It's very easy. I can go to products, hover over super charts, and then in here I can basically connect my account on Fusion Markets to TradingView. So I click Trading Panel down here, I pull this up, and then I look for Fusion Markets. They should be some here on the list. If they're not, click on Show All Brokers, look for them, and then click on Fusion Markets, and then just basically put in your username and password, click Connect, and you are ready to trade. Now that's of course one way you could do it if you want to, but the second one is of course by using CTrader or MT4 or MT5. So you could just click on Web over here, and you'll be able to basically just sign in using your account just like that. So as you can see, either live or demo. I have a demo account over here. Let me just actually sign into this demo account so I can show you how this actually looks like. There we go. Once you create your account, you'll be able to basically get your credentials to your email. So just go to your email, you'll be able to see them in there. And here you can then create new orders, and you can just go ahead, select the order type, and then the volume, stop loss, take profit, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell by market or any of the other options. So that's how you actually trade on Fusion Markets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.